Trying so hard to get the good lighting. My lighting is gone in the dining room, guys. The table, everything is gone from that area. So I'm just always just trying to play around with right here at my desk to get some good lighting. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel, my MVP family. Welcome back and thank you for watching. Welcome to all the new subscribers. So many new subscribers. Thank you so much for tuning into the Miss Bev's Production one-stop shop where there's a variety of little things there to watch and enjoy. Thank you for my new members. Thank you so much for becoming a member, and I absolutely appreciate you. So I am just wondering, is this the right hat? Is it? Is this the right hat? I don't know if this is the right hat. I don't know. I'm not really a hat lover. Or is this the right hat? Is this the right hat? Beautiful, right? Black, green, gold. I don't know. 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 Maybe this is the right hat. But today, my people, I want to talk quickly about Duty Concessions for returning residents to Jamaica. So I know a lot of times we decide that we want to return to our homes, and after being away for many years or even for a short period, because people, as I said in the video about returning residents to Jamaica, that sometimes people leave, and soon as the winter comes they tell themselves, not me, not gonna happen, I'm going back, I'm giving myself a few years to get things together, and then I'm going back home. So returning residents are not just people who have been away for many years, but it can be as much as 5 years or less, because these concessions and these things that I'm talking about, they cover people who have been away for 3 consecutive years or more. Means that you've filed taxes, you've done what you need to do in another country, and now you're ready to go back to your home country. So we talk about getting things together as you get ready to go back. A lot of people go back and didn't even understand what's out there for them, the benefits that are out there for them, some of the things that they need to get put in place before they actually go back to Jamaica. Talking about Jamaica, for other countries it might be different standards, different expectations, different things to get done. But for little Jamaica, there are concessions for you if you're going back. A lot of men, there have been tradesmen forever, and they didn't know that when they're going back home, that their tools for the trades that they do, that they can get a concession on it. Concession basically mean that that you will be given a break. Then you'll be given a break on the things that you're bringing back in, right? So a concession, duty concessions for a Jamaican returning home to live permanently means that you are allowed to import or take back with you some personal and household items, to include your tools for trade work, free of customs duty. Again, duty concession means that you're coming back, you're going back home without paying customs duty on most of the things that you're bringing back. how do you qualify for these concessions? How do you qualify? How how will you be able to get these things through customs for free? First, I said you have to be a Jamaican national, 18 years or older, must have lived abroad for at least 3 consecutive years and now returning to live permanently in Jamaica. Understand that? So if you came up and you started working and you decide after you did 3 full years done, going into the 4th, that you want to go back home, yes, you are now able to bring some things in and they're not going to charge you the customs duty fee. Are there documents to be submitted in order to receive these concessions? Are there documents? One of the things that I've been searching for is to find out if you must have all these documents or you should have some of them. But here they tell you that there are some necessary documents needed. Yes, 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 yes. If you're a returning resident, guys, remember to go get your, you must have your Jamaican passport up to date. Or you can get an unconditional landing stamp in your foreign passport. If you go to Jamaica and you go to PICA, which is passport, PICA, Passport Immigration, something agency, customs, Passport Immigration Customs Agency. That's PICA. And they're in the different towns in your parishes. I think the big one is in Kingston. It's a different setting for you to get through in Kingston. I think it's much easier to go to Kingston to get your things done. But if you go there, they will stamp. You must take that paper. When you land in Jamaica and you get that paper, that you go to the little screen and you put in the address you're staying at in Jamaica, and you look in the camera, you take your glasses off or what have you, and you take that picture. You need to have that. Don't throw it away. When you go to PICA to get your unconditional stamp in your passport, when I went, it was $10,000. But you must have that little paper that you get at the airport when you're landed, and take that with you. You must have your tax returns. I guess they want to make sure that you were actually a resident in another country. So if you were paying your taxes, your retirement papers. So if you're going to be retiring with retirement from a job, place you'd work for, a company you work for, or your social security benefits, you must have those to show them. They want you to have your utility bills. They need you to have a proof of property bought or rental agreement. They need a job letter if you plan to work. They need your TRN, which we went down, we got that, your tax and something number, your tax registration number. And you need the original, not a copy, but the original bill of shipment. So if you send a container down, then you should have the original paperwork to bring with you to seek to get the concession that they're offering. So now, don't get carried away and start packing too much furniture and stuff. There is a limit to the amount of items that will get the duty-free concession. There is a limit. So remember I said, when you're going home, guys, don't get carried away and just, when you go home, make sure that you are going home and you're just bringing what you need. or if you're bringing back stuff that you can share with other people. But don't bring home everything you had in your homes and then to start a new home in Jamaica. Make sure that you're getting older. Those of us who are in the older bracket, we don't want to get up every day dusting something. It's hard to maintain a home. And so we want to go home and enjoy what we have, enjoy it, to remember that it's there, to pick it up, to look at it, to use it. Don't take up things you'll never use. You right now just doing this house and to see how much stuff that you put there. The great thing is that a lot of it, our school, I'll be able to give give a lot of stuff to a school, the school that I identified. And, but so much things you never needed. So much things you've never touched. You've never seen it in so long. So please, as you lighten up things and you downsize for these years of beautiful, the golden years that we have lived to see, we live to see, we're here, we're present. Then remember, guys, make it simple, make it a simpler life. There are no children there anymore to need this and need that. It's just you and your partner. It's just you. So you don't need 3 sets of dishes anymore. 1 set, if that much. 2 plates, a bowl, 2 bowls, a knife, a fork, a spoon. Just enough. You use them for everything. And so I'm just saying that this is a little information I wanted to share with you today. Just make it light and just let you know that if you're planning to return to Jamaica, just please be safe. Enjoy. Seek out those little places that can bring and build those fond memories. And don't forget that you can get a break on the things that you're bringing back into the country. So my cousin, I know she won't mind me saying her name, because she went back. She bought a nice home, beautiful home, and she shipped a container. But when it was time to clear it, man, did she have a hard time, because there was so much that she didn't know, and the concessions that would have helped her to minimize the amount of money she paid out to these people. Thousands of dollars she had to end up paying out because she didn't get the concession. And she did bring back stuff for every bedroom that she had there, and then some. So my people, be good to yourself now. If you can be good, be careful, walk good, do good, live good. It's very quiet here today. It's sunny outside, but thank God, the house is nice and cool. And so I give God that thanks for all that He has provided for me and made available to me or helped me to achieve in my life. And so that, comfort is good. Contentment is good. There's no shame in it. Don't be, feel bad that you can afford contentment, because we must find that place where we can feel some sense of contentment in our lives. Less stress. Just feel good inside out as you continue through this life's pathway. So again, my people, take good care of yourselves, and till the next time, this is Miss Bev signing out. And before I go, I'll say, Bev Brown, much power to you, my friend. I see all your videos spitting out. Jet, I see you with your 600 and something subscribers. Girl, just keep growing. Just keep doing your videos. Stay on the grind. Don't give up. The reward comes when you get those 1,000 subscribers and the watch time. The watch time is kind of the tough part if you're getting impatient. But if you are gradually growing, put out your videos and have people watching them, because that's what they want. They want to see that people are watching the videos, and then they will eventually extend their hand to invite you to become a part of their company. Trending Live TV girl, woman, lady, thank you so much for all you do. I truly, truly, truly appreciate everything that you do for the Miss Bev's Productions family. Thank you so much. Please go over and support their channels, guys. They're deserving of it. Little J Plays, I'm longing to see you back just playing a game, and or just you know, I'm just praying and hoping for you. And guys, still go over and support Life with Bev Brown and Little J Plays. They are working on their watch time, so please support them so that in time they will get that little envelope with that PIN number in it, and which says welcome to. So we pray for them and hope all the best for them. So if I forget you, my sister Ernestine, I don't forget you. I always remember you. Lady K from the UK, thank you. I got an email from you, beautiful email. And you know, as I always say in my heart, I love you guys so much, and I wish nothing less than for God to continue to prosper you guys. So much love to all of you there in the UK. Thank you for your support, your encouragement, and all else that you do. Soon, guys, I'll talk about the soup kitchen, because don't think it's gone anywhere. The soup kitchen is still up and running, still going, it's still going. So in time, I will talk to you about that. All right, so take good care of yourselves. Bye.